recording at a good angle. In today's video, we're going to be buying my dad a brand new 2021 Dodge Ram Limited. This is a fully loaded truck. It's one of his dream cars, so we're going to buy for him today. We pulled up in my 2017 Lamborghini Huracan. Everyone loves the car, but we're here to buy his brand new truck in cash. Now come with me as we go buy this brand new 2021 Dodge Ram. So we just closed the deal in cash right now. We're on our way to the back of the dealership to go check it out. It's currently getting a deep wash right now, a detail and everything. And yeah, I want to make sure this truck looks perfect. Huge shout out to YouTube. We made this much right here in the last 2 weeks. So major thank you to the YouTube monetization. I was totally kidding about buying him the new Ram. His car's over here. Come check this out. We got him a brand new car right here. Mint condition, one owner, minor fender bender. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the brand new 2021 Dodge Ram Limited right here. Check this out. This model that he wanted was the diesel model. This is fully optioned out, like top of the line. Huge shout out to Sunnyville. So they just took the truck right now to go get it filled up with gas. We just have the Huracan right here. And I'm gonna surprise him right now. My friend Chris with me is gonna drive the Huracan back home. I'm gonna drive the truck to the house. Hit the subscribe button, hit that like button as well. Stay tuned, you don't wanna miss his reaction. So I never thought I was gonna do this, bro, but here's the keys to my Lamborghini.
Thank you, bro.
Take it home. He's taking my car, and I'm gonna take the truck home. All right, guys, so I just got him the car right now at my house. We're gonna go surprise him. Let's get his reaction. I called him, I told him I'm already here. Dad, I just got you the new truck.
Okay.